So what is the laziest ways to start a YouTube channel? In order for these ways to be the laziest, they need to meet a few criterias. First, they have to allow you to be completely unknown, which means they have to allow you not to get in camera and to not even use your voice or be any kind of influencer. They have to require very simple editing skills. They must not have a big upfront investment required so you don't have to spend money. Lastly, they have to be able to get monetized in different ways. And I believe I found the 5 laziest ways to start a YouTube channel that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Now that I've already created this video, I know there are going to be a lot of people saying that these methods aren't lazy enough for them. Is there any way I can just click a button and have my channel at 1 million subs? Obviously there isn't, but I will show you real ways to start a channel. Then you can compare them with all the other methods out there and see for yourself. Now, let's get straight into the real talk, starting with Whiteboard Animation channels. This channel right here makes at least $5,000 a month from ad revenue while creating these videos. You might be thinking that these types of videos require high-level editing. The answer is no. All you need to do is download software like VideoScribe or Doodly, and they will make the work easy for you. It can be as simple as dragging and dropping different icons, and the software will handle the animation for you. For the voiceover, you can use any text-to-speech software you like, such as 11 Labs. For this to work, you need to choose an educational niche where people care more about the information than the visuals. For example, you can go with the crypto or investment niches. You can also explore health or philosophy. Personally, I would suggest going with finance or any money-related topic, as it has a much higher RPM, allowing you to earn more from AD revenue. Additionally, you can land numerous brand deals and sponsorships. You might be asking, why don't you just do them yourself if they are working?
Psych!
I'm actually doing one of these, so stay tuned until the end. The second way is compilation videos with voiceover. This channel here started just 2 months ago, and it's already at 21,000 subs and 10 million views. They achieve this by adding voiceovers to clips. However, if I had to guess, these individuals are likely professionals with several different channels. So don't anticipate the same results when you're just starting out. Compilation videos with voiceover are an excellent method to present various moments or events in a single video. By selecting a topic, organizing your clips, obtaining your text-to-speech voice, adding music and sound effects, and finalizing your video, you can craft engaging and profitable content. You must add some modifications to ensure originality and become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. The best aspect of this content type is its ease of outsourcing. A lot of freelancers are available to collect clips and edit the video for you at a very reasonable price, allowing you to concentrate on getting a good night's sleep. The third one is starting a psychology channel. This channel right here earns a minimum of $2,000 every month by posting psychology videos. These videos are extremely easy to create. All you need is stock footage that you can acquire from websites such as pexels.com or mixkit.co. These videos are entirely copyright-free and monetizable. Crafting their thumbnails is also quite straightforward. You can utilize free online design websites like canva.com for this purpose. To generate the script, you can employ tools like Vidic Coach AI or ChatGPT and you'll be all set. Additionally, I would include story videos in the same category as these videos, as they require similar production efforts. Now let's talk about the fourth method, which is mind map videos. These videos are similar to whiteboard animations, but of better quality. There's a guy named Joseph Rodriguez who runs a popular channel getting 1 million views every month. The interesting thing is, he doesn't show his face in any of his videos. What he does is summarize different spiritual books using something called a mind map. To make these, you can use software like Xmind, Dynalist, or Diagrams.net. Joseph Rodriguez focuses on just one topic, but you can imagine all the different things you could do with this method. There's a ton of content out there that you can summarize and share valuable insights about using this simple approach. And it's not just limited to books. You can summarize YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, or movies. After creating the mind map, you can record your screen using software like OBS or Streamlabs. That's it. You'll have a pretty good YouTube video and a channel that could potentially earn you a lot of money. If you already watch content on YouTube, why not try summarizing it using this method? It's a straightforward way to create interesting videos and maybe even grow a successful channel. Moving on to the fifth strategy, let's talk about tutorial videos. This is the approach I personally use for some videos on my YouTube channel, including the most popular one. I found this method to be quite effective, and I want to share with you how easy it is now thanks to AI. Creating tutorials has become incredibly simple with AI assistance. You can effortlessly make tutorials by producing about 10 videos per day. Each video could be just 1 minute long, focusing on straightforward tasks. This would result in around 300 videos per month. Even if only around 20 of these videos show up prominently in search results, they can continue generating income for 5 to 10 years. That's the great advantage of tutorial videos. Now, let me explain how you can create these videos. All you need is a software like OBS to capture your screen and a microphone to record your voice. You can also consider using AI-generated voices. Start by looking for tasks that people might want tutorials on, such as how to delete an Instagram account. Create a concise 1-minute video demonstrating the process. Repeat this process 10 times. Alternatively, you can opt for a different approach like mine. Search for trending topics and craft tutorials that are around 8 minutes long. Add your own unique touch, whether it's changing the title, tweaking the thumbnail style, or improving the editing. This approach increases the likelihood of your video becoming viral. Subscribe and watch this video if interested.